ravine in my backyard. This is the police fireman's house. So he's just going all around the area, and sometimes he just hangs out on my roof and does circles. I wish people actually saw, especially the week when they laid it on. They're like, "We've got him." They laid it on so much, which was the week before they took 4 days off because they got tired of torturing me. If people saw that. So he's just going around my backyard right now. He might also, yeah, now he's doing the pink jumbo line cover up. Now he's doing a little turn on it. Come back to my house. I'm gonna cut and save.